was on yesterday. It's on today and tomorrow and Sunday. 4 days. So.
Wow. That is a long garage sale.
Makes me think there's lots of stuff, but I've been wrong before about that. It's like 2 tables and it's on for 4 days.
I know.
That person needs to get a hobby. Because having garage sale is not a hobby.
No. It's like a second job almost.
It is.
It's a lot of work.
It is, and there goes your weekend.
Yeah. That's true.
I mean, it was okay. We used to have one every year.
We did. Well, 1 or 2 even. Just one?
No, just one.
Okay, but it went for 2 days.
Yeah, it went for 2 days.
And that was enough.
It was?
I was good.
I know, it's a lot of work, like.
Okay, so we're coming up on it here.
Okay. Are we on 7th Avenue North?
We are.
Oh, it's right there.
Yes, it is. And there's no parking anywhere.
No. And is this driveway too? Yeah.
Jeepers. Gonna park on the wrong side of the road here.
Okay.
So we don't get in trouble.
Yeah, because the truck is... Oh, there's another one. There's 2?
That guy was backing up. Yeah, there's one right there.
Yeah, there's 2 of them.
Okay.
Yeah. I better not
check
get
the battery
ticket.
here. Yeah.
The truck's registered to me.
Oh, there you go. I'm good then.
Yeah. So you want to just go to this one first?
We'll hit this one first.
Sure. Oh, okay, thank you. Hello. Hi there. Cranberry.
I like the smell of cranberry.
Oh, it's sealed up, and you like hand cream.
I do.
That's a good price. So that.
Planet Spa. Let's visit that planet.
African shea butter. Well, that one's sealed up too, but I don't know what that smells like. Might be yucky.
Some champagne?
Rare gold. Body lotion. Yeah.
Champagne.
Lily and Frisia.
Bubble bath.
Yeah, I don't know.
Bath de Bublé.
Okay, settle down.
Champagne. That one landed like right in the...
Oh, there's a whole bunch of vintage stuff in here. That's a necklace. Earring. Some nice pieces in here, but I don't know that any of them
Nothing
are
marked.
No, not that I can see. Guess it depends how much they want.
You bring the whole box up and ask.
Yeah, well, it's weird because everything else is marked and not. That always happens to me.
Yeah.
I pick the one thing that's not priced. These look like rocket ships.
They do. We've got another garage right beside.
Yeah. Oh, what's this? Wonder if I need that for
Oh, light.
an old light. Oh, look, it's not priced.
Oh, weird.
Not really. It's pretty typical for me.
Yeah, that's true. How much are your drinks? Oh, there's the sign.
Yeah, he made signs and everything. You're not even reading them.
I didn't even see the sign.
Yeah, no.
Canadian School Atlas.
Yeah, I have that. I have that.
Do you? That's not old.
No.
I'll get an iced tea.
Which cup size?
Oh, what? Just the clear cup is good.
When it warms up, he'll get busy.
Doing this for the Humane Society.
Okay.
Well, that's
So
sure nice, yeah.
it's this and this. This is the only thing that had a price on it, though.
Oh, what did you want for
Grandma's jewelry.
All right, thanks, buddy.
What would you say? Just give me a
Bit
note
of,
for like.
what is that?
It's
Just
all my
a-
mom's old stuff.
Yeah, and there's not a lot of
Nature
pears
in
and
there?
stuff
You want
in
just
there.
$1?
Sure, that's fine. Yeah, and then
That's nice.
I don't know,
and that.
25 cents?
25 cents.
Perfect.
$1.50.
That'll work for me.
Yeah, that she. I don't know. Even know.
I just think some of them are really pretty
they
with
are.
the stones
You know, we
and
took out what we wanted and.
right. 250.
Yeah. See,
There you go.
I think there's
Thank you.
even a couple of my dad's old pie clips in.
Yeah, there
And I had
is. Yeah,
saved one.
yeah. It's tough. You can't keep it all.
No,
So
but it's kind of neat, some of the stuff that.
it is. Yeah, I like it. Great. Well, thank you very much.
Thanks.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. You got your iced tea?
Yep.
Okay.
So he,
Is it good?
no,
Oh,
it's terrible. So he poured it,
yeah.
and then there was a whole bunch of like, I don't know,
Floaties?
things in it that didn't look like they were part of the iced tea.
Mm-hmm.
So he's fishing around in it with his finger to get the things out,
Oh, just pour it out.
and it doesn't taste very good at all. But I'll still give him my 25 cents for, he's raising money for the Humane Society, so
Aw.
nice of him.
Sticking his fingers in
Yeah,
there.
sticking his finger in there
Oh,
to get the floaties out.
God.
And then there was still more in there, like, so then
And
I'm,
then
I'm fishing around in there with my fingers to get the floaties out.
Finger cooties.
So I did take a couple sips in front
Did
of him.
you?
Yeah,
Oh.
even though my brain was telling me, do not drink that.
Oh, that's so gross.
Yeah.
That's like what my nightmares are made of.
I gotta support him though, but.
Okay, no, hey, Marie.
Oh yeah, right. Well, I just wanna.
Okay,
I don't wanna carry that around.
okay. You got the other one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Second grad.
Are you gonna come with me?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I was about to get
I know. That's what I'm like. No.
battery check. Yeah, we're still good.
Okay. This is nice.
Yeah.
So big.
It's huge.
Yeah.
Like 8 feet tall.
Wow.
10 feet tall even.
Yeah. Hello.
I got $2.25.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Interesting. Look at this dude.
Cameo bracelet. Weird.
I think Cameo's just plastic though. Like touch it. Feels warm.
It does. Yeah, it's not cold.
No.
Like stone or shell would be.
Remoli.
Yeah. Billiard balls down there.
I know, I kind of like old billiard balls. Like just...
Especially if you're ever having a snowball fight and you're losing. It's great to throw one of those in a snowball.
They're not very heavy though.
Oh, you're right, they're not.
Like, it's like they're resin or something.
They don't feel as heavy as they should feel.
Like this one feels.
Yeah, that's a billiard ball.
It's snooker. They're all billiard.
I'm sorry, you're right.
Yeah,
Snooker.
yeah. I don't know. Maybe they're just, I haven't picked one up in a long time. I don't know. They're cool though.
They are. Look at these. Is this for like corn on the cob or something?
Banana split.
Oh,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah.
I would need a much deeper dish. That doesn't hold nearly enough ice cream.
No. Or chocolate.
Yeah, that's right. Yes.
I wonder what that was from.
I like it because it's graduated.
I do too.
It's
Whoa.
smarter than the other ones.
Yeah. And it go both ways, so it was meant to.
Oh.
Yeah. So I'm thinking it's.
So you could fill it and then
I think
put
this
it
is
on a
before the
dispenser.
bags of like
For
drip
medical?
and. Yeah. I think so.
That's kind of neat. Would you put it with your other medical stuff?
Yeah. Corn. Made for MacBic Company. I don't know. Oh, look, it's not priced.
Yeah, I know. There's like prices on everything.
I know. What the heck?
Ask about it.
Yeah, might be a couple bucks or something.
Yeah, I think it's
Yeah,
pretty neat.
it is. It is. I'm kind of looking for these, not a cake one, but more of a tall
Okay.
to cover.
You know what that is, right? That's how you make billiard balls. No, that's
No,
not, that's
it's
not
not.
right. That's not right.
No, that's not right.
Oh, some 78s.
Yeah. Oh, and this I need.
Hey.
I'm surprised it lasted.
Box is just.
It is all in one piece though. Like you can see the top up in there.
Yeah, it's so thin too.
I know, but and look at the box.
I know the box has had a rough life.
I can't believe it's not broken. Found a couple things. That's that.
$2.
Perfect.
Whatever.
Yep.
You know, you just want to get rid of stuff. The bigger the house, the more stuff you keep.
Isn't that the truth? Yep. I know.
Yeah.
You've managed to fill it. You're like, okay, buy a bigger house. And
Let's put some
yeah,
in it.
can't have any empty ones. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
It's perfect. Surprised it survived in this box.
That was my mom's.
Oh, was it?
So it's really old. I don't know, but she always had it in that thing. And I mean, it's delicate, so
It is. It's glass.
And it's
all
still
there.
in one
Yeah,
piece.
it is. That's great. No, I have a few Christmas trees, so I like to collect. I have a pink one and a green one, I think. Couple.
just don't
So
remember.
I'd like every tree to have a different one. So I was like, really excited to find this. Yeah. Thanks.
Have a good day.
You too. Look at that tiny little chair.
Yeah.
That'd be good for camping because you can't really fall out of that. You're like pretty
Or
much.
if you do fall, you're
You're pretty much sitting on the ground.
like only 6 inches
Yeah.
to the ground.
Wow, it's great.
Yeah. Well, you got someone's hair in there with you.
Well, you know, I think it's someone like a furry friend,
Is that a
a cat hair or something.
morning ornament?
It will be if I drop it. Yeah, this is pretty cool too.
Yeah, that is neat with the graduations, and they go both ways. So yeah, you're right.
When you fill it,
Fill
and
it, and then you
can watch how much
put it
is
upside
left.
down on the whatever.
Yeah,
Yeah, neat.
yeah. Pretty cool.
Yep.
No, I don't want this fighting.
Yeah, just stick it in a pocket.
I don't think this won't fit in a
Okay.
pocket.
Yeah. That works.